Hey guys, it's Trini, aka Nature Bay. I am back. Welcome back to my channel. My voice is a little bit hoarse. Don't worry about that. I am perfectly fine. I'm in good spirits. I'm happy and healthy. And I am in the Sunshine State of Florida, visiting home. And I'm on my way to go and get me a little bit of nature and see some animals. I'm going to the Central Florida Zoo today, which is located in Sanford, Florida. I'm picking up my friends and her baby now. So my two friends are who I'm going to be going to the zoo with. And at the zoo, I look forward to zip lining. If we make it in time, and we're going to take the baby to do the pet feeding. And I also want to see the alligators and feed the giraffes. So those are the things that I look forward to at the zoo, and I will show you as much as I can. Hopefully I get to accomplish all. So we've been outside for about maybe like 15 minutes, and this sun, oh my god, it's vicious. Oh my god. Everybody has on sunblock though. I don't know if it's working. they had a sign at the front that said that you can't bring certain things in. However, there was no check. I did bring a Belvita bar and 2 bottles of water. I had the bottles of water in my hand, and that wasn't an issue. So I would definitely recommend bringing water at least, if nothing else. And the tater tots are actually seasoned. A little salty, but they have flavor. Alright, so we've been at the zoo for about 2 hours. We went to the petting zoo portion. We got here a little late, so they were out of food. We couldn't necessarily feed them, but we did see the goats and the chickens in the petting zoo area. The other thing I was excited to see was the alligators. We saw a few of them, but there's like a glass up, so it's kind of, like you can see them, but it wasn't as exciting as I thought it was. Saw a couple of monkeys. The other thing, feeding the giraffes. We did do that, and the baby got to feed the giraffes. And the last thing I wanted to do is zip lining. I saw a little course at the beginning where you can like jump up in the trees and things, but I don't think that I'm going to zip line. I'm really hot and kind of drained at this point, so it was a nice walk, but it feels like I went and sat in a hot sauna. Definitely got a tan. Kind of ready to go. Get showered up and take a nap.